Alright, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to Google Drive and you need to download from the useful Java libraries the chart library zip. Download it, it's JCommon and JFreeChart, and once you've downloaded it, use the unarchiver or something else to unzip it. This should now be in your systems folder. You start a new project and you have to use Java with Ant, not Java with Maven, and then you type in a suitable name. Do not create the main class, we will create that manually later. Right click on your project and under source packages create new Java package and give it a suitable name. Then you click on properties, and in the folder that's your Java program, you need to create a library folder. So I found this in my NetBeans project. I typed in Piechart example 3 and I create a folder in this area called LIB or libraries. Copy and paste the libraries that you downloaded into that folder. Now I need to go to properties and I need to add the libraries. So I click on libraries, add libraries, and select the ones I need. Make sure you're in the right folder, unlike where I was originally. So from library, select JCommon, JFreeChart, and add them to your project. You can now use all of the classes in there. Okay, now to explain my code. The first thing you need to do is you need to create a class, and this is a chart creator class, and you need to have a main class. The chart creator is going to be the class that allows us to create our charts, and the main, surprisingly, is going to run it. I also have music storage. The music storage is going to store details about the records that I own. If I go to my previous example, you'll see that in my music I've just got a thing that says genre and the percent. Every time that I have a record it's going to get 10%. It doesn't really matter at this stage because the chart works out everything else. The chart creator program, I have to create an array list of music, and that is going to be used to get the data. I pass it in as a parameter from the main method. All of the other ones, PyDataset, JFreeChart, chart panel, and set preferred size, you can see how they work if you download the source code. The main part is this part. I've created a result, which is a dataset, and that does all of the magic for me. So I loop through my array list and I double check the genre. If the genre has matches, it adds 1 to the overall value. Then I pass in the genre, that's hard coded, and I pass in the percent, that comes from the array list. As you can see here, I've got my test data, and this is where I call the new chart creator in order to make it run. The first one is what comes up at the top, and the next one is music that I like. If I run it, you will see this is a breakdown of my music taste.